I'm Arntzen. I write songs and share my love of nature through singing and producing events that educate and entertain about ecology. This song, Voices of Nature, it started out 25 years ago in English, and now it's being adapted into a bilingual version in Mandarin.
I'm Darcy Han. I'm a singer and currently working to finish my master's, exploring the relationship between music, community building, and climate action. We must intentionally shape the culture that we want to live in, and it's never been more important to strengthen our connection to the land, the life around us, and to each other. Holly and I imagine living in a world where music lifts our hearts and minds to inspire, educate, and drive people of different backgrounds so that we can further climate action and embody regenerative values.
Yeah, the world we want is one where we sing together in each other's languages and show respect for other cultures and traditions. We sing out together for the earth because, of course, this land, this air, this water, this is what keeps all of us alive. We connect our hearts and our minds and our souls and find creative ways to communicate, collaborate, and cooperate and take action for climate and the future of life.
Working collectively, we can reach higher ground.
Sun is shining, everything is so dry.
Voices of nature sing for every living thing.
Weather report says it's another record high.
Voices of nature sing for every living thing.
In the rainforest, thirsty cedar trees sigh. Sing for rain,
Sing for rain,
sing for sunshine,
sing for sunshine.
just enough
enough
at the right time.
at the right time.
Voices of nature sing for every living thing. Sing for snow,
Sing for snow
on the mountain.
on the mountain.
Flocks of birds,
Flocks of birds
beyond counting.
beyond counting.
Voices of nature sing for every living thing.
烈日灼烧每一寸土壤，
聆听万物诉说，生命之声辽阔。
天气预报说破了纪录的高温。
聆听万物诉说，生命之声辽阔。
雨林深处，传雪松轻轻地弹，为雨唱
Sing for rain,
为阳啼歌，
sing for sunshine,
刚刚好
just enough
完美时刻。
at the right time. 聆听万物诉说，生命之声辽阔。
为雪唱
Sing for snow
山丘万丈，
on the mountain.
群鸟飞，
Flocks of birds
乘风相追。
beyond counting. 聆听万物诉说，生命之声辽阔。
干裂的草原，希望却再没见。
Voices of nature sing for every living thing.
妈妈说从前河流似琴弦，
Changing weather, making deserts, turning soil into sand. Sing for rain,
Sing for rain,
sing for sunshine,
sing for sunshine.
just enough
enough
at the right time.
at the right time.
Voices of nature sing for every living thing. Sing for voices of nature sing for